if we catch these coins when they are super low like this, that is going to be super advantageous for us. As you can see, the market caps are going to be super low. So the first coin that we're going to be looking into right here, it is going to be TowerBot. So TowerBot is a project that's also actually tied together with Tower, which is going to be Bitensa. All right, so it is going to be more of like a DEX for Bitensa. Right, so you're going to be using that bot overall to trade, and you can see these projects are going to be so tiny that they are going to be on Uniswap only. So for you to buy some of these projects right here, you're going to have to use Uniswap, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video in terms of like how you will be able to use Uniswap. So when it comes down to TowerBot right here, this is going to be its chart. So as I'm saying, right, this is only going to be a 22 million market cap project, and at the peak of odd season, right, the odd season that we had in January, or like that actually ended in January, you can see this project right here went all the way to 65 million, which is overall more than a 2x or a 3x from where we're at right now. So this is going to be something to look at right now. So as I am looking at this, I am looking at two levels overall for me to enter into TowerBot, right? This is going to be the first level, and the second level is actually going to be where price is heading to right now. As you can see, this level has actually been acting as a level of support, and I do believe if price actually comes back here, then we're going to have a push to the upside, right? So we might actually continue this trend right here. I know you might be saying that, hey, this is actually looking like a head and shoulder, but overall these are going to be altcoins, and we're going to be heading into alt season. So I do believe there is still going to be a chance for us to actually make some insane cash off of TowerBot. So you can see, make Bitensa ecosystem your playground. So you're literally going to be trading on TowerBot, but overall we're just looking at holding TowerBot right here and making some insane gains off of it. So when it comes down to this, this is where I am actually looking at my entries, because even if I were to use my fib extension right here and we measure it from this point all the way to this point right here, you could see that, you know, we're coming back to these levels whereby we could actually enter it off of, which is going to be close to where our entry is. So we always want to take optimum, like we always want to have optimum entries. So I do believe for us right here, this is going to be whereby we can actually find some optimum trades for us on TowerBot. And when it comes down to our targets, this is going to be where first target is going to be at. And if I were also just to take back our fib extension, right, so again from this point to this point, then you could see we could be targeting all the way to 80 million market cap, which could be our second take profit right here, and then we could actually just continue to hold it all the way to the upside. If it is actually just going to go all the way to a 200 million market cap, it does actually have the potential of actually going there. So the first one is going to be TowerBot right here. As I'm saying, it is going to be a DEX, or like, you know, a trading bot for the Bitensa ecosystem, right? So you might as well look into the Bitensa ecosystem, but as you already know, Bitensa is going to be the top AI project like when it comes down to the crypto space right here. And this is just to do with TowerBot right on here.